Hello children, good morning and welcome back to our English class. Today I will give you a brief idea about the poem My Mother, the second reading, B reading of Unit 1 Family. This poem is written by the world famous writer Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so here the title is My Mother, and when you go through the poem, we can see the three stanzas. All three stanzas starts with the same sentence. I cannot remember my mother. You can find that line as the first line of all the three stanzas. So as you may know, Tagore, he lost his mother during his childhood itself. So Tagore lost his mother when he was a very small boy, very young boy. So he cannot remember or he cannot recollect his mother as it is. He cannot recollect or he cannot remember the face or any other physical feature or even the sound of his mother as it is. Only some vague idea or unclear idea is there in his mind about his mother. That is why the poet starts the poem, the stanzas, with the same sentence, I cannot remember my mother. So even though he cannot recollect his mother by her shape or by her color or by her sound, he can connect something with her. He can link something with her. For example, when he go and play with his playthings, he can hear some sort of sound or some sort of music or some sort of song which his mother used to sing. So when he listened to that song, he remember his mother, or that mother's figure come to his mind. Though he is unable to recollect his own mother's color or figure or shape, he is able to connect the sound he hear while playing with the sound his mother used to make while singing song. So that way he is able to remember his mother. And second stanza he says, in the autumn season, when he get the smell of shiuli flowers, a white colored flower which is used for the puja and all. So when he get the smell of that flower, he get the smell of his mother, the fragrance, the scent, or we can say the scent or the fragrance of the smell of his mother. And the third stanza he says about wherever he look into the nature, even to the sky, the empty sky, he could find his mother's face or mother's figure there. So different things in nature, like the sound he hear, the smell or the fragrance he get, or the shapes he find around him, in everything he find some similarity or any connection or a link with his mother. So this way he recollects his mother, he remembers his mother. So as I told you beginning, Tagore lost his mother when he was very young, a small child. So he was not so grown enough to remember or to get to that figure or the shape of his mother in his mind. That's why he was unable to recollect the image of his mother. But he remembers the song she used to sing, and he remembers the fragrance he used to get when his mother comes near to him. And he has a vague idea about his mother's face, loving and smiling face. So these things he recollects when he hear the song, when he hear the fragrance of shiuli flowers, and when he look into the empty sky, blue sky, etc. So it is the love and affection of a son towards his mother. So last lesson, the tattered blanket, we have seen the lack of love, the absence of love of Mr. Gobi towards his mother. And now here in this poem, Tagore expresses his care or love towards his mother who is no more. So this is another example of a bond or intimacy or strong relation between a child or a baby and its mother. So the My Mother, the poem My Mother comes in one family. It is given to you to read and understand the strong bond of a baby and its mother. So I hope all of you understood. So here we have a few words. Hover over means to remain in the air. So the smell of the flower or the smell of the incense sticks, they may remain in the air. We can say the aircraft, hover over. Hovering means to remain in the air for a long time or short time. It's called hovering. A helicopter, it can remain in the air in the atmosphere for short time before landing it. So it's called hover. And scent, the perfume, the good smell, fragrance, and service, the prayer. So he gets the fragrance during the prayer, and when he play with his playthings, he get the listen to the sound or the songs which his mother used to sing, and when look into the sky, he get the image of his mother in the blue sky. So it's all things brings back his mother. That's why he says, I cannot remember my mother without these things. Why? Because he doesn't have a clear image in his mind about his mother. He doesn't remember how his mother was, how she looked like. But even then, various things around him brings the image of his mother to his mind. It's only because of the strong bond or love and affection of the son towards his mother. So all of you please maintain the same love and affection, not only to the mother, but all the people around you. Okay? So I hope all of you understood the poem. So keep reading, contact a teacher and get more details. Be safe, stay safe. Thank you.